Welcome to another video from oorail. In this video we're going to take a look at the Class V2 4771 green arrow. This is an LNER and Doncaster Green livery. This is Bachmann 31-550B, and it has an 8-pin DCC connector. And this is a locomotive that's currently preserved in the National Railway Museum in New York. It's got a boiler problem, so unfortunately it's on static display. But in the 70s and 80s, it was actually ran on quite a few steam tours, and hopefully we'll show you some photos with it alongside
4472,
which is the Flying Scotsman. So this is a pretty brief video. We'll show you doing the normal speed test. We'll pan around. I picked this model up because our layout here is based on the late 70s, early 80s, and so 4771 here, the green arrow, like I said, was used on quite frequently on a number of rail tours, sometimes alongside the Flying Scotsman. So I thought we'd show you this real quick and do the pan around. Now I haven't put the detailing on it, and it does come with the usual brake stuff and a few other odds and ends, and that's about it. So we'll do the quick pan around, and then you'll see the speed test. And if you like it small, I think it's still available on e-hands and rails at Sheffield, maybe available at a couple other places. I know it was low in stock in e-hands when I picked it up last week. So here you go. You can see there it's got quite a decent bit of detailing. It's sprung buffers and NEM couplings. And so far so good. It's been run in, hasn't had any problems. It does, the rear bogie here is on a kind of a spring system, but it seems to work okay. And there you have it. It's a very nice model, definitely one for the collection, and hopefully you'll see it running on the oorail layout here pretty frequently.